everyone, welcome to episode 20 of the PowerPlatform Digital Series. This week, I continue to have with me my special guest, Rekha.
20 episodes. Wow, that's a lot.
Milestone.
Thank you for having me, Ron. Hi, guys. Rekha Maya, Technical Director for Dynamics.
Terrific. So, guys, the session that we want to introduce you to this week is in line with our theme for the month, which is the holiday season here in Canada, and it's time to celebrate, and we want to celebrate our customers' success. So the session specifically, it's called Real World Stories, about enterprise-wide adoption of Microsoft PowerApps and Flow. Rekha, one of the customers that we talk about in this session is a customer called SNCF, and they are the National Railway Operator of France, with 270,000 employees.
That's right.
And their journey of enterprise-wide adoption of PowerApps is really something unique.
Yeah, absolutely unique, because as you can imagine, a rail company, a company that runs 14,000 trains a day, you don't necessarily think of them as having a bunch of people that are building applications, right? They do many other things, but application development doesn't necessarily come to mind. And that's why the story is truly fascinating to me. So SNCF decided that as an organizational goal, their business goal was to use technology as a driver for their business transformation. It was truly about business transformation. Technology was purely an enabler. And they built a beautiful roadmap on how they would enable their workforce in this new way, in this new modality of working. So they did lots of training curriculums and certifications. They did MOOCs for their employees on how technology could be used to do collaborative things. They built communities and forums by which people could actually practice a little bit of what they learned and contribute to the community. And they had multiple ways, multiple modalities by which their staff could actually reskill if they wanted to and become more technology savvy, to the degree today that they have a huge population of their employees who are very technology savvy, and they have a huge practice around governance of all of this. So from a railway company to using technology to enable their digital transformation, fantastic story.
Absolutely. So guys, please go and watch the session. Lots of great learnings. As usual, please let us know what you think. We'd love to hear from you, what you like, what you don't like, and what you would like us to cover in the future. And until the next episode, thanks for watching.